Hey guys, so let's point out the differences and similarities between the Armor 2070 Pro and the Armor 25T Pro. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go guys, as you can see, the Armor 2070 Pro and the 25T Pro are quite similar, but they have their differences, and you've already seen the differences. So what are your thoughts? Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.